What do you think? Stability. Which one is more stable? Which one is less stable? How can we decide? We decide it by the potential energy. Okay, so let's write the potential energy. Okay, potential energy of this system U in different orientations. Okay, we will write U here. Okay, so what is U of this A? Angle. What is the angle? This is field. This is field. Potential energy is minus Pe cos theta is 90, it becomes 0. This is 0. Okay, here also it is 0. E is 0. 0, 0. Now what about this? What is the angle here? Field is towards right, dipole towards left. Angle is 180 degree. Total angle is 180 degree. Okay, cos 180 is minus 1. So minus Pe cos 180 is minus 1. It becomes plus Pe. So here it becomes plus Pe. Okay, this becomes plus Pe. Okay, what about this? What is the angle? It is 0, both are in same direction. So cos 0 is 1, so minus Pe. What can be potential energy of any dipole? What will be range? Cos theta can be between minus 1 and plus 1. Okay, that means this energy, it can be between plus Pe and minus Pe. This is minimum and this is maximum. Minimum and maximum. Okay. So this orientation, when this happens, in which case potential energy is minimum, when it is aligned with field. When it is aligned with field, potential energy is minimum, and this is the most stable. This becomes most stable. Okay. This becomes most stable orientation. Here the potential energy is maximum plus Pe, when it is opposite to the field. In this case, potential energy is maximum. Okay, so this becomes the least stable position. Least stable. Okay, these two positions are 0, so they are in between. Okay, what about this? Okay, angle here is less than 90 and angle here is more than 90. Angle is more than 90, so cos will be negative. So minus Pe plus here some angle which is more than 90. We are discussing about this position C. So this thing will become positive, negative. So negative and negative becomes positive. Okay, so that means this here it is more than 0. That means it is positive. It is positive, it is more than 0. Of course it cannot be more than this because this is the maximum. This angle is less than 90. So cos theta is positive. Cos theta is positive. That means overall it is going to be negative. Overall it is going to be negative. Okay. What do you think? Okay. Are you feeling disturbed? No? Alright. If you are feeling disturbed, then you can assume it to be some angle. Okay, let's say that this angle is 60 degree, and this angle is, let's say, 120 degree. 60 and 120. Now, happy. Cos 60 is half. So minus half. Okay, so it becomes minus of Pe over 2. Minus of half Pe. Okay, minus of half Pe. Cos 120 is minus half. Cos 60 is half. Cos 120 is minus half. So minus Pe into minus half, it becomes plus. Okay, so this becomes plus half Pe. That's it. What about stability? This is potential energy. This is U. Okay. What about stability? Okay. Which one is the most stable? Which one is the least stable? This is the most stable. Most stable. Okay. And this is the least stable. I hope that you can make sense out of this. Okay. That means stability wise, stability of F is more. Okay. If I want to write stability in terms of decreasing order, so this is the most stable. Which one is the least stable? B. B is the least stable. These two have equal stability. A and E, they have equal stability. A is equal to E. They have equal stability. Okay. Makes sense? Now this has positive energy. Okay. So this has negative energy. Okay. So this will be stable. It will be less stable than this. This value is less than this, but more than this. Okay. Okay. I will not say anything. If I say anything, it will be you will become more confused. You decide yourself. I'm just going to simply write the answer. Okay. So now this has the least energy, most stable, that is least energy. Now I will write it in terms of increasing. Okay. Increasing potential energy. Okay. The correct order will be something like this. Okay. Minus PE is less than energy wise. This is the minimum energy is less than minus half PE. Okay, is less than 0, is equal to 0, is less than plus half PE, is less than plus PE. This is the sequence of energy in increasing order. Okay. Now, in terms of stability, it has to be reversed. This will become the most stable. Okay. So it is going minus half PE. It refers to this. B is less than A. And less than plus half PE. It corresponds to C. So C is less than D.